Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Dinesh. Welcome to my channel Tech Pool. I came up with the latest tech updates for you. Let's see what's new today. Firstly, let's talk about Samsung company. Samsung company held an event day before yesterday in San Francisco, which is called as Samsung Developers Conference 2018, where many developers will come together and partnership with Samsung, and they say how Samsung future gonna be, and they said many things and which are not much necessary for you. They are necessary but not much, but there are few which are necessary for you and which you need to know. Those are, the first one is one UI. One UI is redesigned user interface for Samsung mobiles which are there out in the market. It will come to only a few mobiles. Those are Samsung S8, S9, S9 Plus, and Note 8, Note 9. These mobiles will get one UI update when they release in the future, and future mobiles all will come with a one UI. Taking it beside, let's talk about most awaited phone might be from the Samsung, because many people were waiting for the flexible or folding phone from the Samsung, uh, which looks as similar as FlexPy mobile which introduced in China, and it's not much far from that technology to this technology. Looks similar, and UI also looks similar. When it is folded, looks like a phone, and when it is unfolded, looks like a tablet. And Samsung even saying that they are gonna bring rollable and stretchable displays in the future. This will be like a stunning, and it may take more than 5 years, I mean, to bring those type of displays to our hands. It may take more than 5 years also. Let's see what happens in the future. Next, let's talk about LG company. LG company came with a new patent where they are showing a full screen display with a small hole in it and with curved edges, where they are saying that hole is for selfie cameras. To say really, many companies are working damn hard to bring a full screen display. I don't know which company will bring first full screen display without some popping mechanism and sliding mechanism and all. I don't know which company will bring. I have doubt. Is anybody out there using LG mobile? Next, let's talk about Fossil Company. Fossil Company launched a new watch which is called as Fossil Sport. It will come in many colors and runs on Google Wear OS. It have many other features like heart rate monitoring, GPS, NFC for digital payments, and the last one is a mic and a speaker for making calls. And these are not enough, and it will come with a Snapdragon 3100 processor, which is the latest out there in the market, and it best matches with the Google Fit app, and it costs around 19,000, and it will be available in their website starting from November 8th. You can buy it if you want it. Next, let's talk about Facebook. As I said in my previous videos that Facebook is going to bring a dating feature, and which will be available worldwidely in near future. Now it is officially launched in Thailand and Canada, and previously it was only available in Colombia. Now they introduced in Thailand and Canada. I think we get it in India soon as possible because there are many active users in India. If you want it in India, leave a comment. Next, let's talk about Huawei company. Huawei company is saying that they are going to bring Kirin 990 processor, which is sequel for Kirin 980 processor. To make this possible, they are working with TSMC company, who also makes chips for Apple company. And they are saying that this chip will be 7 nanometers like Kirin 980 processor, but with better 5G speeds. The company is also saying that we might see mobiles with Kirin 990 in 2019, but for now it's more than enough to use Kirin 980 processor. This is the end of our Tech Pool news. Thank you. Have a good day.